A jury has been selected, and the trial for 3 former Washington County deputies accused of killing a man in 2017 is scheduled to start tomorrow morning. Kalisha Moore has continuing coverage on what has been taking place inside a Washington County courtroom.
Defensive lawyers representing former Washington County deputies Michael Howell, Rhett Scott, and Henry Lee Copeland argued their clients may not see a fair trial if it takes place in Washington County.
Trying this case in Washington County amongst an over 4-year flood of local pretrial publicity creates a probability that Michael Howell and his co-defendants will be denied their constitutional right to have their trial before impartial jurors who will listen to the evidence presented to them at trial without already having made up their minds about what actually occurred.
The defense lawyers filed a motion asking that the trial be moved to another county. They argued that many people in the county had already seen video evidence related to the case.
Most troubling, however, is that the very evidentiary videos that the jurors in this case will be asked to see have had widespread release.
Prosecutor Kelly Weathers responded to that motion.
But I would also like to note that those expressions of prejudice went both ways. I mean, I saw they're being railroaded to they need to be under the jailhouse. I mean, it was not all against these defendants.
Weathers told the judge she believes the state vetted unbiased jurors.
We have engaged this process with integrity and that we do have the qualified jurors waiting to arrive at 3 o'clock for striking.
After about an hour of reviewing the motion, Judge H. Gibbs Flanders returned with a decision.
The order does deny the defendant's motion for change of venue, both on the grounds of lack of showing of actual prejudice, and of course determination, as well as lack of proof of inherent prejudice.
In Washington County, Kalisha Moore, 13 WMAZ News.
After 3 days and hundreds of potential jurors, both the defense and prosecution finally made selections. The jury is made up of 6 black women, 3 white women, and 3 white men. That jury will be sworn in tomorrow morning, and then opening statements are scheduled to start.